These are going to be elevators at Copernicus Hall at Central Connecticut State University, New Britain, Connecticut. Got some more Adams fixtures on these. This one's a little bit smaller than usual though. Let's see, we're going to get the second cab. We'll go back on the first after though, don't worry. I like these fixtures though, I like how they light up red. Big fan of the red fixtures. And I like that indicator though, it's pretty generic. Yeah, for some reason 2 is the main floor. They don't call this 1 whatever the basement is. The basement's called 1. There's a lantern. Let's go up to 5. Door closed, does not work. Bummer. Takes a while to close too. This is the motor. Okay, and let's go back down to 2. I like that chime. Let's get a cab view. Pretty alright cab. Blue floor.
Hey guys, pretty old elevator we got here.
Yeah, this is definitely a 70s, 80s elevator. It's definitely older. Wouldn't mind seeing this thing modded, especially considering this is like the Science and Technology building. Nice to have maybe a more modern elevator in here. Alright, let's send this one up to 5 and we'll take the next cab. This time we'll go down to 1 just because. Here's the first cab. Ooh, this lantern lights up red. Double door too. Oh, 6 must be locked. Is it locked? Nope, it's not locked. We're going to go up to the top floor. Let's do it. This is the motor. There's the lanterns there. Let's just get a quick outside view of this. Here's the call station. So it doesn't light up. There's the lanterns for that back door. And we're going to go on to 1, and then we'll go back up to 2. Let's get a cab view of this one. Pretty same as the other one, except like I said for that back door. It's pretty interesting though how only the first cab has the back door. I think that might be like where the greenhouse or something might be. Maybe. I'm not sure. I could certainly ask somebody. There's your other lanterns. And there's your lanterns up here. There's the machine room over there, not sure. Elevator machine room. Try to get to zoom out. Let's go to 2. Alright, and that'll be all sure for this one, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.